With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's start with the question. The question is fill in the blanks. Asexual spores in ascomycetes are dash. The sexual spores in basidiomycetes are dash again. Then sexual spores developed in ascomycetes are dash, and asexual spores or developed in Alternaria are dash. Options are endogenous and exogenous. There are 4 shuffled options with 1. So starting with, first of all, what are the endogenous spores? So endogenous spore formation goes like that. It is a type of spore formation in fungus which turns the spores and in which the spores are produced within the sporangium. Okay, that means spore producing cells. Sporangium is the spore producing cells. So the spores thus formed are known as endospores or endogenous spores. Okay, this was about the endogenous. And now talking about the exogenous spores. Here, this is the type of spore formation taking place externally, in contrast to the endogenous one. So, or we can say that exogenously in the fungus. So, spores thus are known as the exogenous spore, or this is also known as coinidia. Okay, so endogenous I've already mentioned, these are the one which spores are produced within the sporangium. Now getting back to the question, the first one, which says asexual spores in ascomycetes are. So the ascomycetes, these reproduce asexually by fission and budding. This includes fragmentation also. This includes the fragmentation and also the orthospores and then the conidia. And as we have mentioned, the conidia were the exogenous one. So here the A option will goes to exogenous. So here the option will be the asexual spores in ascomycetes are exogenous. So starting with the second one, which says sexual spores in basidiomycetes. So when we talk about these are the endogenous, or we can say the sexual spores are called the ascospores. Now these are endogenously in the sac-like asces. Okay. In basidiomycetes, the basidiospores, these are produced exogenously. And these are at the tip of the fine outgrowth, Now this is called sterigmata. Okay, so the B1 goes to exogenously. Starting with the third one, which says sexual spores developed in ascomycetes. So now talking about the third C part, which says sexual spores developed in ascomycetes. So ascomycetes produce sexual spores These produce the sexual spores. Now these are called the exospores. Okay, now these are formed in the sac-like structure called asci, and these relate to the endogenous spores. These are endogenous spores. Okay, now talking about the last one, which says the fourth one, which says asexual spores developed in Alternaria. So talking about the Alternaria typically found outdoors on the dead plants, and these are the exogenous one. Exogenous. So the D part goes to exogenous. I hope my answer is clear to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.